I'm more quite back as if you na mensan kanche say Ghana mat mu ne wo no nti Ghana mat kese e wo mu say de e be wi na sensase e kroma nyina no nipa de acheche rese kuku fodia odo ani kire so da beto mu afija ase aso korin sase na menton me de cheche rese we oba akwa de ne wawi kura no se me twa na kese de ma twam de ani kire so gakope dabala hohoi ekochitu adidome e honom de ate se e wonso kwale me fanya hwe ti Ghana mat de bibia be boko awo ganse breni ane den community sabro me din de prof ike wala sa gudi catch back up ene wo me fofra na say the new month ayram no ana asesani pasa e wa Adom TV so ha be de fisa amosumi ya akone de ka che busuafo ne nafofo yere wo ma ofasefo na mu kromo ene mpranfo nyina se igina so agana mat na yidi no kwanso nkoso kra na game park games e the eagerly anticipated Pekwan game netin aba arrival with the bank but more than that sort who between sa gym our favorite numbers na from 1 to 36 and our between stake we stake here we need 26 time we stake ni tukita 1 Ghana cedis and kopem 350 Ghana cedis a we betimi atwa na watimi said ni say kama o dial star 946 hash star 946 hash all networks and as obeko gameparkgames.com na for wetimi said trebi na ne ani kan say Adom TV so no draw na ba so 9 am 12 noon and after 6 pm and draw na 8 sa ba so you can game park games a ya gem so say more mula more power o metachiri pa na djumedi 8 sa brel National Lottery Authority from pen for madama wo mo etachiri uni mu firi nwotwe fa wonyim chacha diwa oni betia pun so adwene betia san hyehye woni betia kokko adwene mu be hu ayu intimsew e na de adwene kakra etia san to we mo ana etachiri aboa abo esika dwetire me na anopen so ye dia wo kense won se mpan sa kan so 8 sa jaw me nko ne tempa so na fie fa nkoma wo ho no enso ejawa ye ko English abuchirima mu na Manchester would 20 pm no Brentford for any Chelsea 90 minutes of soccer for chirima mu ne ko no afi fa ni chirima wo Spain Mountain so ye fa ni Spanish La Liga na Manchester no Valencia any Real Madrid ebo 2-2 bibirim ha the biggest club competition CAF Champions League CAF from pen for na hweso na Ghana class bi so 20 Sunday mo jima manfo be ka fi twem no media ma Sporting Club on fita kwa ene abo so hye so omsi akwa ahen e TNA Park na omne qualify e Ghana Premier League nimse champions na omo etimi asa qualify for the last phase of the CAF Champions League nema shada nko yan fama media ma for omo transfer ma CR Belouizdad for omfi Algeria omo twoma kapole pole miensa e ma media ma for ye omo bia amati anjom ho e was akens kesi etimi sa to media ma entimi an qualify from the group stage no am fan the last air group stage a ebetian sabo mom sika dweti na kese e ho na ne no so epie mu nie
Belouizdad escaped the pressure, at least initially. Put himself into some trouble there, and it could be the opener here, and it is for Belouizdad. A disastrous goal to give away. Defended by Mamadou. It's not a great ball though. This is Boras, lays it off to Wamba, and this time he does double the advantage for Belouizdad. Okay, rides one challenge, and Jallo on the volley. It's an excellent third goal for Belouizdad.
No common ye see na nyame adoma at appropriate time when water take his rightful level. You be kan wasem na fama phone sen nema Asia ko but ye ba Confederations Cup and also the second biggest competition CAF from paying for organized the clubs and your clubs am ball FA Cup no win no Ghana ha no Dreams Football Club FA president and win here almost graduate nti kwa no mo common Dreams Football Club ni support ni hwe basika de wrestling Mexico so FA president will be nti de ashema eboa ema etian kwedi amom ni Rivers United another full team and the boss 90 minutes of soccer fiesta na Rivers for extra Dreams 4-2-1 it was Akins case it went to Jumba Dreams Football Club for out qualify for the quarter final first time after topping the group stage with just 12 points to wrestling Mexico so Ghanaian club bi anywhere with me ayesa abako semia we new club and now a fresh club I say bia udwetri won semeso nti apart from a classical football display all Confederations Cup and Dreams so are qualify.
But it hasn't quite worked out for him yet. Issa though at the other end trying to go past Ekaret. Issa still has it, looking for support, keeps going on his own. What a wonderful finish from Abdulaziz Issa, and could that be the goal that takes Dreams into the quarter-finals of the Confederation Cup in Tunisia? A goal would take Rivers through. Is this the chance? Oh, and he's appealing for a penalty. There's the shot. It's saved, is it? Saved again and in! Katsi Godswill is the hero, and Rivers United are heading to the quarter-finals of the CAF Confederation Cup. Goalkeeper Kane, lots of things well in this first half for Shetta, but it hasn't quite...
International Dreams Football Club and yes Kajutra omutimi ko bia lata 4 team Rivers United almost kapa but FA president ono so was kapa and omuchiro bobre pa amensan kaman into wasum say science doesn't rule the world, it is the money that rules the world, money that rules the scientists. Intino hwesa nema eseko so to bia na mabeka cha esenkusua nye umu amsi unkusua ye pa whether say ubotu ebitia bom si coffee nye to de bia amsu nya 2 glasses ebitia boa inti researchers ne ba na afi omo de ne mu eskafona ka chom so meka nche no no mabeka chire tiene dreams are qualify for the next stage of the competition tintom el Ghana Premier League nim na afi hwesa na komo ne ACL ko kuma se Asante Kotoko wo mo achi bibia ni Gold Stars atwa meka ba ko mantiante na afi nso kwanso atamanfo enso yoma no tb so mkomo tranfie na wo achi has for 8 cents biro na has for zom de watara tatis anaba na watara tatis no de kwachi nso atama wo mankasa mu fie etwa meka mienu ema nso atama te kana ba kwanei nso atamanfo anu edi chese mo nkasa kura obi so hia ma ase mumu aso da woni tim won kana se nyame adoma yewesa ne ma esi akoba bo ni akoma na hwe Ghana Premier League no so sen na ne fe esitie
Salif Ibrahim to Cisse. Hamza is making the run. Cisse hangs on. Here is Cisse. Ofori back kills the ball to Kosa. Kosa to Cisse. Here is Cisse! The Fabians have jumped into the lead here in instruction. What a beautiful... It started from Cisse himself. He was trying to get the ball to Hamza, saw Kosa. Kosa timed his run, told Cisse, and what a shot.
Ini nimbasa, nti ubehwe na neche ono so adinde mu de semi. Aje se ne yedi Ghana man to pa. Now after the game, Abubakar Watara, coach Adom Hasufuk, the latest and the freshest coach in town, Udwanenum kakra.
This match is 3-1. We can win 3. I tell them it's 3-1. But you see, we mixed a lot of goals. But this is not a problem. We will continue to work and maybe Nyamibebwa.
So what's Abubakar Watara fencing? We of Burkina Faso is so baby. Or Nyamibebwa. Na match no kwano hunu 3-1 crank. So show mo 3. But Nyamine fefi na unstrataman for hatomani mano. Ana nsuba no yisi oyigu baby mom kan yesa combat nsuba buo mo papa e wosana nema ese Kotoko nso assistant coach Marvin David Dixon Okru na nwanwan hazofo assistant coach no ana nei West Mexico so omo head coach and we assistant coach e Kotoko na ono so after the match no David Marvin Dixon Okru ono so de nkomo jai.
To be honest, we've not created enough, but the most important thing, like I said, is the 3 points.
You go second on the league log, although the league leaders have a game in hand against nations to play, but I'm sure you're still eyeing the catching up with the top.
Yeah, we will take it game after game, and like today, yeah, it was not flamboyant, but we got...
Yes, and coach David Marvin Dixon Okru, the Dindoson say, Obrov Dimbesinum. Ana nei ono so de nkomo 8 jano na ye to aso no na other fixtures itimes abaso no Lagos City for ene Accra Lions nkrajata omo boy tipenkro bi ene wetin pusu nyon kwatena Brekum Chelsea 3 Karela Football Club 0 ana fi Great Olympics oli gbogbo oli mashi oli nkonsonkonson oli peto oli juluju oli Rosalenda oli Acapulco oli Adom TV oli Ghana Mant wo mo ekoche ekpado out of France the pride of Igbe the Boboleji boys etwom 2-0 Dr. Randy Abi team no we are no more. But Edia on be films say coach Basheford and a ekita team no mitino and then so come me de buy no me do see another was ma money hwe emotion so mame say game park games added the eagerly anticipated pick one game netin aba arrival with the bank Ghana man money away Mr. boys dey this Kenya sam keto akranti Mr. fa ho gym na mo ama osika dwetwe mo sam enkoye numbers no person stick here omo de no from 1 to 36 and between sticky now if we are ready for the excitement between samboa the mo kita ska best 1 Ghana cedis between twabi 2 Ghana cedis between twabi ankopem 350 Ghana cedis who win 26 times to stake and it is so 1 Ghana cedis na twa ya 1 Ghana cedis times 26 as always in Mexico so we need 26 cedis e was na nema ACL kon we the amazing pick one game no and you didn't want to say their channel o dial star 946 hash star 946 hash our network bia so phone so obetimi atwabi o internet no so gameparkgames.com and also obetimi atwabi Adom TV so anopa no nkron draw ne baso premtro bra wi akataban so 12 noon and also e baso na 6 pm anwumere etimi baso Monday to Sunday de bia draw ne gina so nti when dia anopa obetimi de awia when dia awia so obetimi de anwumere obetimi de anopa wadi awia na wasan de anwumere asan de apeso na aboa e ma niam etian kwedi ama we game park games mo dance na bi di jaw ka game park games a national authority phone pen for techiri afi oni mu fi ngotwe so fa wonyim esanse chachadiwa adwene mbetia hyehyɛ tibetia bom ani so ebetimi ayekokɔ na puru so kura san peso intimsew ya na de adwene kakra etia sa to so ha ana mede Ghana month edition of the Agokensi ewa Adom TV so no the presentation ABC wotemenka within the prof ike wala sakudi catch back pe wo hwe ba bia memfudie wa wada se kosu hunsa on kede bodu asman kese bima mponten fa de ketikrache kopie so adro wini ba kaso anya no kwate puko so jama kosu mo ene ne hye soso ga kopeda bala hoho ko chitwade do me ede woni chechim okopiem kokko obo me obo nkwatia ekwa kopiem e wona doma hina tran doma hinkro kosunya kobrikum fo ne chire bechem kodua nkwanta bu aketema sa kopiem enso ewo libo hye so kokko devoa amosu krom obi atie me san hwe me amwanwa se asime hene ba me anso ene hene kese pa me wo ha Ghana manti die yemfa ni agro kra se yenya ahemfo ne yesi hene die yebegye adedem inti rade ntina ma wonyo kese yufa bi de da so ni emfa ko bi de da so the act of being a good guest is to know to say good morning.